Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing a pretty simple small install. So I got this off-room ball mount that I'm going to install right here on the dash. I saw the Bulletpoint ball mounts, and they take up this whole area and bolt through the dash. And what's nice about this is that it's just going to hook in right here in between the screen and the dash, and then bolt in, or screw in rather, using the factory screw. And then I can still use this space up here. And so I already ordered this mat, I think off Amazon. I'll post it in the comments wherever I got it. And it's nice for when I'm like doing road calls and Zooms and have to prop my phone in these little slots, and it looks right at me. And it just fits right in on top of the factory liner that comes in it. So for this, I'm gonna have to take both out. I'm gonna mount the ball on this side. And so I'll just remove that screw, put that screw in back into the mount it here. And then I actually did order the Bulletpoint iPad holder and arm, so that way I can set my iPad up here when I'm navigating through the woods. And so I will get this installed and show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so I do have it mounted. It fits flush here. Just goes right in that little area between the screen and the dash. I don't feel it pushing in the screen at all. You can see there's not much of a gap, if at all. Putting in the factory liner, I mean, it fits great. I don't really notice it raising up at all. I mean, it is going to be slightly raised because of that bracket, but I'm not really feeling it. And then when I put in this, that's like actually where you see more of a difference. You can see it's nice and flush over here, and then it raises up a little bit over here. So if that annoys me, I may take out the new liner, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. And so now I'm going to attach the Bulletpoint arm and iPad holder and see how it looks. Okay, that's what the arm looks like all mounted. I think it's pretty good. I think I could stand this Bulletpoint arm to be a little bit longer, just so I have more flexibility with where I mount that. I mean, if this was mounted to the Bulletpoint mount that would go way back here, I mean, I would really have no playroom with how long this sticks out. And I don't think they make this any longer. I didn't find one online on their site. And so I like that this mount sits way up, and that means I can have the iPad out here more and almost kind of look like a computer you might see in a police vehicle. I'm just gonna go pop the iPad in here just to see how it looks. Okay, so it fits. I noticed at first I couldn't get the iPad to actually fit the way this was initially done, but then I noticed these two little squeeze tabs here, and that makes you be able to raise up the main arm, and then you've got even all this up here to play with. So plenty of space to put in a tablet. I think as I'm on the road, I'm going camping this weekend. I think as I'm on the road, I may have to move this around to decide where I want it placed. I'm gonna have a passenger, and she will not be happy if that iPad is blocking her view, run her away. So it may, while we're driving, it may just end up being, I don't know if the iPad will work with CarPlay, but I may just not even be using this screen and just have this iPad just sitting here as our main tool for the vehicle. So yeah, pretty simple install, really nice products so far. Like the look of them all. I'll be sure to include links in the comments. If this was helpful, be sure to comment, tell me what you think, like, and subscribe. Until next time, guys.